What's going on, RVG fam bam? Today I am going to the doctor's again. As you guys know, a couple days ago I went to the urgent care. I have not been feeling well for a couple days now. At the urgent care, what they told me was I had like really bad acid reflux. I had a little bit of heartburn that was turning into like chest pain. I was short of breath. My stomach was like super bloated. Just talking made me really short of breath. So I just knew that something else was wrong. So whatever, you know, I bought like antacid, I bought some Tums and stuff, and they have been helping me a little bit. But I did get a call from my doctor, or from the doctor that I had seen in the urgent care. Basically, she said, I got some of your blood work done, if you can call me back as soon as you can. So I called her back right away, and she said that my blood work had come back. Everything seems fine. My bilirubin levels came back really high. It's basically found in your red blood cells to kind of help break down bile. It's excrete bile or something like that. If your bilirubin is high, it can maybe indicate gallstones, which is really scary. She wanted me to go get an ultrasound of my stomach right away. Like, she was pretty persistent with it. So I'm heading over to Riverside Medical Clinic. I'm gonna go find out what's going on in my tummy. Bye guys. All right guys, so I just got home, back from the doctor's, and the doctor actually already called me. You wanna know what happened, babe?
What happened?
I don't have gallstones.
Let me see your shirt. Let me see your shirt. What does it say? Come in the light. Whoa, LSOB. Turn around, Popo. Turn around. King Elijah. High five. All right. Get out of my pocket. Why are you being so nosy? Those are cards. Lighter shade of brown cards. There's nothing in there for you. Look, get your truck. Pick up your truck. Look at you. What's up, babe? How's it going?
Good. I'm feeling a lot better today.
Good.
I finally went poop.
Well, all right. That's good to know. I was getting ready to eat right now. I'm not sure if I'm hungry. All right. There he goes.
Okay guys, so I just picked up Layla from school and we made a stop at Walmart. My cousin Desiree texted me today and she was like, you need to get Robert back and you need to get this horn. It makes a loud horn noise. Robert comes home from work every day and he takes a nap, so I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna get him. I'm so excited. I'm nervous. It's really loud.
Are you kidding me? Oh, you did. Oh, my goodness, man.
I can't.
Oh, I'm gonna get you. All right, you got me.
You've been sleeping for a minute now. I already got Layla from school. Baby's up.
Get up after me.
What's going on, RVG fam bam? So today, my daughter's asked me to put together her mirror. She got a mirror for Christmas, and I'm finally getting a chance to get to it, to mirror for her room so she can, you know, look coordinated in the morning when she goes to school. Although I think she looks coordinated every day, but she don't trust my judgment. She's gonna be 11 years old soon, and they got their own opinions. Meanwhile, in the background, I got this little guy. What happened? We were just playing. You just switched on me all of a sudden.
Moments later.
Dance, Papa, dance. All right, Papa, you ready to put together? It looks pretty simple. My helper. Looky. I'm skiing. Oh no, I'm on the elliptical. Why do they call it lift? Because you lift one like this. a completed mirror to go in baby Hannah's room.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you.
I didn't say help me with your armpit. What's going on, RVG Fam Bam? Thanks for watching the YouTube channel and this video as well. Hey, we got a couple shouts here. I know you guys requested you wanted shouts, and we don't have to make you do anything. We ask you to subscribe, but for a shout out, it's nothing. Who we got, babe?
Shout out to Arsenio Velasquez.
Arsenio! He's a diehard, man. We appreciate that, and I enjoy your channel as well.
We also have another one, little Gabriel. Shout out to you.
Hey, little Gabriel music.
To Mariah Navarrete. Please forgive me.
Navarrete?
Navarrete.
Yeah, we were having difficulties.
Shout out to you, girl. Yeah, I'm like, I'm not sure. Forgive me if I said that wrong. And our last one for the day would be Tina Espinoza. Shout out to you.
Hey, what up, Tina? Hey, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, and thanks for sharing our channel. If you haven't subscribed, you should probably do that. And a lot of you probably don't know how to subscribe. You're like, I go to the video, and then I like it, but how do I comment? Well, you got to subscribe in order to comment. Matter of fact, why don't we do a video?
Yeah, and you actually have to sign up and make an account to do that first.
Yes,
so.
I'm going to do a whole tutorial on the whole thing, how to
Yeah.
sign up. And on that note, we are really excited, super excited. It's 2018. We wanted to drop this at the beginning of the year.
Excited.
We got a new video intro.
Even though, like, I love my wedding intro, our wedding video intro, but
Yeah.
I'm excited for this. Because the baby's in it. Elijah's in it, so.
That's right. A lot of you requested, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Now, shout outs to our boy Wacko,
Yes,
Wacko
thank
Films, for
you
putting this
so
together.
much.
And what we're going to do is we're going to get a bit behind the scenes first, and then fall into the video after that. Let's do that. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
First video shoot. How you feeling right now?
What?
How you feeling right now?
Nervous.
Pretty excited?
Nervous.
Nervous? You got this. Look at the swag, though. Shout out to Wacko, man. We just met up with him right now. Wacko Films. Yo. He's gonna be shooting our intro today. We got a little bit of sun left up there. It's almost turned into a Sunday afternoon, waiting for the sun to go down. But it is what it is. But look how beautiful this is. Yes. So now we're gonna do our individual shots right now. Let's go, babe. One take, Jake. That's what they call you.
All right, ready and turn.
I zoomed in.
Turn around!
Done.
Run, hurry!
Come here. Come here, daddy.
Yay!
All right, ready and turn.
Yeah! Woo!
That's perfect.
What's up, Pops? You ready to go eat? RBG Bam Bam. I want you to meet Joe, this guy right here.
I'm Joe Alvarez. I'm stationed with MWSS 372 with Camp Pendleton, the United States Marine Corps. I listen to ODM on the radio with Evelina Rivas every day when I was over in Iraq and Kuwait on this last deployment. I just got back in October. But yeah, I saw him out in the open and I'm a huge fan. So it's going
respect.
on 991 KGGI, my favorite radio station.
Hey, respect Joe and the family and the Fam Bam. So a lot of you guys, if you're from the area, you probably recognize where that was shot at. Dos Lagos here in Corona, and just a
Nice
perfect scenery, you know, with the whole tunnel and the water in the background and stuff. So
I got
forth.
ducks too. We usually go and feed the ducks. The baby loves to do that.
So there's the behind the scenes. Let's just get into the video. But before we do that, we need you to like, share, subscribe, and comment below and let us know what you guys think. And that prank that this one got me on earlier. All right, whatever. Whatever.
That was the best ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you guys.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Don't blink because you'll miss it.
Another sunny day, and we in the Golden State.